Got a small space but big gardening dreams? No problem. Here's how to grow more food in less space with smart techniques that maximize your yields. First, choose the right crops. Focus on high-yield plants like tomatoes, peppers, leafy greens, radishes, and bush beans. These produce a lot in a small area. Next, use vertical gardening. Grow up instead of out by using trellises, hanging baskets, and wall planters. Crops like peas, cucumbers, and pole beans thrive when given something to climb. Interplanting is another great trick. This means growing compatible plants together to save space. For example, plant fast-growing radishes between slower-growing carrots. By the time the carrots need room, the radishes are ready to harvest. Want even more food? Try succession planting. Instead of planting everything at once, replant crops as soon as you harvest. For example, after harvesting lettuce, plant another batch to keep the harvest coming. Container gardening is a must for small spaces. Grow herbs, greens, and compact vegetables in pots, buckets, or even fabric grow bags. Just make sure they have good drainage. Don't forget about intensive spacing. Instead of traditional rows, plant crops close together using square-foot gardening. This reduces wasted space and increases yield per square foot. Finally, feed your plants well. Since they're packed into a small space, they need nutrient-rich soil. Use compost, organic fertilizers, and mulch to keep them happy and productive. With the right approach, even a tiny garden can produce an impressive harvest. So start planting and enjoy fresh, homegrown food, even in the smallest spaces. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips.